Part 1. New words.
A bathroom. A clean bathroom. A room with a bathroom. A towel. White towels. You can find clean towels in the basket. The floor. Leave dirty towels on the floor. There is some milk on the floor. The door. The door is open. Close the door. A pillow. There are many pillows on this bed. Don't play with the pillows. Soap. This soap smells good. A bar of soap.
Part 2. Vocabulary 1. Prepositions of place. Revision. In. On. Under. Between. Next to.
Do you know where the soap is? I think it's under your towel. Children, why are the pillows on the floor? Oh, we played with them. Is there a bathroom in your room? Yes, of course, it's next to the bed. Was there a desk in your room? Yes, it was between the bed and the bathroom. Are there any flowers? Yes, there are some flowers under the picture next to the door.
Part 3. Vocabulary 2. Behind. In front of. Behind. The red ball is behind the box. In front of. The red ball is in front of the box.
The TV is in front of the bed. The Eiffel Tower was in front of them. Your room is behind this door. They sat on the floor with 3 cars in front of them. The new castle is behind these houses.
Part 4. Vocabulary 3. In. Out of.
He drove in and looked at his watch. He drove out of the garage. They walked in and saw their grandmother. The cat looked at me and walked out. They stayed out late yesterday. It's very cold. Let's stay in and watch a film. He likes to go out with his friends on Friday nights. We couldn't go in because we didn't have the tickets. She couldn't get in because she forgot her key. They got out of the water because it started to get cold. They would like to make a pizza tonight and eat in. She likes to eat out and try new types of food.
Part 5. Read and choose.
Where is his favorite pillow? It's next to his teddy bear. Your suitcase is in front of the door. Why are the towels on the floor? Take the cake out of the box and put it on that dish.
Part 6. Quiz.
You sleep on it. A pillow. You use it after you have a shower. A towel. It works great with water and makes you clean. Soap. You open it when you go into a house or flat. The door. You walk on it in a house, flat or office. The floor.